In this video, I'm going to list the 7 best side hustle ideas for 2021. Now, each one of these ideas can be done at part-time or even on the weekends so that they are actually side hustles. They don't require a ton of experience or knowledge, so let's go ahead and get right into it. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, if you want my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Hi, I'm Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. Now, #1 is with weddings. Now, within weddings themselves, there's a number of side hustle ideas, so let's go ahead and get right into them. #1 is you could be a photographer. So basically what that means is you attend the wedding and you take pictures. It only requires you to show up on the weekends, maybe the day after for the gift opening, but it's genuinely, truly a side hustle. You don't have to do anything during the week. Usually it is only on wedding day. #2 is actually videographer. Again, just like the photographer, you're going to show up on wedding day and you are going to record the event. And #3 is actually being a DJ. Again, with DJing, you're going to bring some equipment and you're going to play music for the end of the wedding, for the ceremony, the celebration after the wedding. Now, the great thing with being a photographer, videographer, or DJ is, again, it only requires you to dedicate your time on the weekend. So you could have a full-time job working 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, and then on the weekend, you could actually be participate in other people's weddings. Now, again, you don't need a ton of knowledge and experience. The more knowledge and experience you have in these different areas, the more you can charge. But if you're just getting started, you can charge a little bit and then actually increase your prices over time. In addition, you can get started with word of mouth. You don't need to advertise per se. What you can do is you can talk to your friends and family, figure out who's going to get married pretty soon, and see if you can work out a contract. Now, you do need to know a little bit about contracts and billing and things of that nature, but that's all stuff that you can learn over time. But #1 is within the wedding niche. #2 is actually with hauling junk. And what I mean by that is every Thursday before my garbage gets collected, I see a guy in a beat up pickup truck driving around and he's looking for metal and recyclables. What he does is he takes those metals and recyclables and he takes them down to the recycle center and he sells them for money. Now, this isn't going to generate you a huge amount of money, but it is a true side hustle that you're only going to do it after hours, after work, for 1 or 2 hours. You just need to know the garbage schedule. You need to know when the garbage truck is going to come by. You simply are just driving around. You're looking for metal. You're looking for different recyclables. Throw it in your truck and drive away. This is actually a win-win. People that don't know what to do with their junk, they just set it out and hope that somebody collects it. If you are hauling away junk, you can both collect it, so you're helping out the homeowner, and you can recycle it and you're making extra money. When you recycle, it actually is great for the environment, so it's a win-win-win-win. So hauling junk is actually #2. #3, and this is a really good idea, is to appraise real estate. You can work with local and medium-sized businesses in your area to simply just appraise real estate. And basically what that means is you get hired to go out and to assess the value of a property. The great thing with this is genuinely, truly a side hustle. You can do this after work. You can do this on the weekends. You get contacted by a real estate company and they say, go and check out this property, give it a value. What are some of the good things, the bad things that you see? And they actually will take that information and they'll use it to assess and offer the value of the home. It's 100% a side hustle. I actually had a administrative assistant who did this on the side. She would actually go assess properties before she came into work and then again after work, and it would only take her a few hours every single day. So this is a very good side hustle if you have a regular full-time job, but you want to make some money on the side. After real estate appraisal is to referee youth sports. Now, this is a very good opportunity, especially in the summer when there's AAU and other travel league sports out there. What you're going to do is you can get certified. You don't have to, but you can get certified in refereeing sports like football, basketball, baseball, soccer, and you get paid for 8 hours worth of work. This can be done all on a Saturday or Sunday. Pretty good money with relatively low effort. You are just calling fouls and keeping track of the time in the scoreboard. You do have to deal with angry and unruly parents from time to time, but for the most part, it's a really easy side hustle that you can get started right away. Now, again, depending on the state that you live and the company that you're working for, you may or may not need to get certified in refereeing youth sports. If you do decide to get certified, you can actually charge a little bit more for your services. But again, it only requires you to work on Saturdays and Sundays. If you start refereeing in-season sports, it may require you to work on evenings during the week as well. So refereeing youth sports is a very good idea. After refereeing youth sports is building WordPress websites. One of my first side hustles when I start making money online was actually building WordPress websites. And you can charge anywhere from $300 to $2,500 per gig just for building these simple WordPress websites. Now, the trick is to work with a website like ThemeForest, where you can buy these WordPress themes and then install the WordPress themes on the different companies' websites, and then you can actually get done pretty fast. I would charge up to $2,500 for a simple 5-page website, and the company will give you all the information that they want on their site. They'll give you the contact us, about us, what they want on the homepage, and any products or services that they offer as well. Creating simple WordPress websites is really easy, and if you don't know anything about WordPress or building WordPress websites, I have a step-by-step tutorial on this channel, and you can just simply Google it or YouTube it, and someone's already answered that question. Building WordPress websites is a very, very good opportunity. Number 6 is to sell your unused stuff. If you've got stuff lying around the house, shoes, video games, clothes, tools, if you've got that stuff lying around, you can sell it on websites like Amazon, Craigslist. You can have a garage sale and you can make some extra cash. Now, you're obviously not going to make what you paid for it, but it's a good way to recoup some of the value of what you initially purchased it for. So look around your house, take a quick inventory of each room, and just write down some stuff that you haven't used, you haven't picked up in months or years. Believe it or not, there is going to be a market for just about anything that you want to sell as long as it's in decent condition. Again, old video games you can sell to like GameStop or Amazon. Clothes you can sell on either, again, Amazon or garage sale. There's just a number of opportunities selling your old unused junk. And number 7, my number 1 recommended side hustle to start for 2021 and beyond is actually with affiliate marketing. Now, with affiliate marketing, you are simply selling or recommending other people's products and services. When people buy the products and services that you're recommending using your affiliate link, you actually get paid a commission. Now, affiliate marketing is great because it can be passive. You basically create content once, and then people can come back to that content over and over again, and you can make passive income. And there's a number of ways that you can get started with affiliate marketing. You can create a YouTube channel, you can create a blog, you can be a social media marketer, you can use Facebook groups, Twitter, Instagram. There's just a number of ways to get started, and I do have a lot of videos on this channel that go step by step into learning more about affiliate marketing. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, check out some of the other videos that I have on this channel because I go over it step by step. Now that you know the 7 side hustle ideas for 2021, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start for my number 1 recommended side hustle for 2021. When you click that first link in the description, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click that first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing. Also check out my website, alstongodbold.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If this video helps you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.